Pasty Pale Gremlin color. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, welcome if you are new. Today's episode of what am I putting on my face and why is it so cold when we're in like 100-degree weather? Seriously, my house is like 70 degrees, 74 I think they have it at. I'm cold. We're this close for a reason. For a good reason. I'm going to be putting these on my eyes. Well, actually just one, because I usually have one in my purse at a time. But these are some of my favorite eyeshadows. And they're from Kaja. I have the Peach Madeline. Madeline? How do you say it? Do you do Madeline or Madeline? I think honestly it just depends on the mood I'm in. Like if it's a little snack cake, Madeline. If it's a name, Madeline. Anywho, and then this one is Mauve Bouquet. Bouquet. Do you say bouquet or bouquet? No, that would be terrible. You can get a flower bouquet. That's all anyway, on to putting this on my face. Fun fact, I carry at least one of these around with me in my purse at all times. Bought them. I don't know if I bought them or got them. Well, I bought them technically. And like this cute little set, Kaja was doing like a mystery bundle, I think. Got these. I was like, little Bento eyeshadow doodles. How good can these actually be? Oh, dang it. I want to open them all at the same time to show you. They're pretty good. They come with these little covers on them. So you have this one. It's a matte. This one is a shimmer. I don't know if you can see it very well. They're teeny tiny. And then this one, it's a pressed glitter. And on top of that, you have a baby mirror in here. Shut the front doors. It's not the cutest little patootie. I love it. You can apply it with your fingers on the go, which is what I do on the go. Just apply it with your fingers. I usually come in with the darker one out here. And then do the lighter one more across. And then the top one, inner corner, a little bit of brow. Easy beat. Like simple. The easiest peasiest simple stuff. Do I have a, I do. I feel like this is going to match my fingers more. I feel like I love this brush a whole lot. Do you guys see this a lot in my videos, like eyeshadow videos specifically? This specific brush. You don't have a name, do you? Oh, you do. LaRousse. Love it. It's like short and kind of like dense, but also the perfect amount of fluffy on the end. Oh, sorry. Back to putting this on my eyes. This should be pretty quick. I have the rest of my makeup done aside from my lip, which I was a little bit indecisive because I was like, I'm going to go with this color or that color, but come on. It's me. We're doing mauve. Every now and then I'll come in with the pinky one though, you know. And you don't have to keep these little shadow protectors in there. I just do because I usually use this when I'm like on the go somewhere, either in the car, in a bathroom, at my desk, out somewhere. So I usually like don't toss those. I just keep them. But come in. Oh, I'm actually, cause I don't have any. I lost my Sailor Moon baby handheld mirror thingy that I made, that I have. Don't know where she went to. Put her down on my desk. She's gone. Hopes and dreams for the poor little thing. Can't find her. But then we come in outside here. Just the outer little bit. Tappa, tappa. We don't have to go. I would love to go crazy. But honestly, if I'm just like on the go, I'm not coming in crazy. There we go. Looking nice. Come here. And I think I'm going to do, I want to do two sides. I'm not going to. And then whatever's left, like I'm not going back in, but I'm just like dragging it in or across. put that down. On to the next one. The middle one. And same brush. If you have like a tissue or something, maybe a little swibbity swap, you don't necessarily need to. And then come in with a little bit of this one. Right on the center. Well, I shouldn't say center, because I'm going to drag this across the whole lid. The whole, yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. Simple, but gorgeous. I love her. So pretty. I'm a little nervous to take it on the bottom, so I'm going to come back in with this one. The dark matte. Move. Thank you. And okay. Okay. Not bad. Real simple, real easy, very chill. And then what I like to do with this top glitter one, pressed glitter, is just a little on the inner corner. And I always use my finger. You can use a brush. I prefer my finger. I feel like the warmth and the oils on my actual skin does a really good job about picking it up. Putting it down, not really smushing it in the right area. That's where my brush will come back in. But my tiny little mirror, for the most part, it does a good job. Yeah, that's pretty. Yes. I want to get it more up here though. There we go. Ooh, okay. And then tissue, wipe your finger. Real simple, real easy. You can kind of do the same thing with the other side. I'm actually going to see if I can do this. I mean, worst case scenario, I still have my brush right here and my little brush swatcher thingy. So if I need to, I can come back in. But start with the bottom. I'm worried this is going to be more pigmented just because of where it is. Or what I'm using it, where it is. Because of what I'm using, my finger. Don't forget the bottom. I just about forgot about the bottom lash line. And of course this is my sensitive eye, so I don't feel like I can do more of like the flick with my finger. With my brush I can get it more like whooshity. With my finger, no. Definitely need a brush. Then if you want to wipe that off, you totally can. But then we come into the middle. Shimmer. And right across the whole. And of course, your shimmer is going to look better with your finger. Shimmers, pressed glitters. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Okay. She's really pretty. Okay. Then sometimes because it's so tiny, I struggle to open it. Then you can wipe it off if you want to. Glitter. inner corner. Ooh, I overdid this one. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. My bad. We're gonna share the wealth. Okay. Oh well. Spread it around. It's fine, okay? And remember what I said before, worst case scenario, like, not worst case scenario, but what I've done is come up here to the eyebrow. Just a smidgen. That's the whole Kaja look. Again, tissue. That's it. Come here. Yeah, I do like my little whoosh that I can do with my brush. This side, as you can tell, not so much. So I'm just going to come in and try and drag what I have. A little bit, sorta. Not a whole lot, but it's still okay. Yeah? Yeah. I think that's okay. For the most part, I think that's okay. I'm like focusing down here, not so much up here, but that's the gist of it. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I've been loving this Lash Princess one, the brown shade, lately. She's cute a patootie. And maybe my lips. Who knows? Yeah, that's cute. Hello. Oh, I know. Ooh, yeah. Yeah. Yes. Yes. My little baby cute patootie Kaja. What do you call yourself? Are you Beauty Bento? I knew it had a name. I was like, you call yourself something, like a little snack box. A Beauty Bento. I love the look. She's doing it. Simple, easy peasy. You don't have to use all three shades either. A lot of the times, I'll just come in with this middle shade. Oh, what's the other one look like? The same, right? Well, not the same, but like, yeah, see? Very chill. This one I feel like is more of a nudie color on me. This one, like, I'm a mauve girly. I'm a matte and mauve girly. Except for my lips lately, I'm very glossy. Super. Once I found out gloss could be hydrating and not sticky, like, I'm a gloss girly. Lately. Dang it. But this one, real good. Or if you just want that little pop, the top pressed glitter. Hold on. The top pressed glitter. She looks really pressed because I use her. I press her. The inner corner and then just a smidge like up here on the little tail end of your brow. Just under that tail end of your brow. Like, chef's kiss. I didn't do the big smoochity smooch, but like, you know what I mean? Chef's kiss. It's really good. But that's it. That's my whole look. Simple, right? Easy peasy. I love it. Take it on the go. Whatever you do, you put it on your desk. Probably don't like pack it away anywhere, like this delicate little thing. Easy peasy to use. I love it. Take it with you. Take it on the go. Put it on your desk. Put it on your nightstand, beauty stand, counter. Take it with you. It's compact. It's great. And it does a good job. So that's why it's one of my favorites. But anywho, that's it. That's all I got. Yeah. I hope this was a short video. I hope editing me can make this a short video. And I'm going to put this in my eyeshadow playlist. So if you like what you see, hit the like and subscribe button. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!